Hi, I'm Dr. Papia Bhattacharjee. In this problem, we have to find the power series representation for this function 3 plus e to the 4x centered at 0. And we have to use the basic power series representation of common functions. So as you can see that this function has the exponential part to it, so we can use the power series representation of e to the x to be able to write down power series for our given function. Okay, so the function is 3 plus e to the 4x. Now if you just ignore this 3 and just concentrate on e to the 4x, you see we already have the power series for e to the x. So how do we compute the power series for e to the 4x? Well, just replace x by 4x. Just a simple substitution will give you the power series representation for e to the 4x. And then you just add 3 to that entire power series. So let's do that. Okay. So look at our e to the x, that power series, and wherever there is x in the right hand side, you just write down 4x instead. Okay, so the first term is 1, there is no x. Second term, we have an x, so you write down 4x instead. Then third term, we have x square, so instead of x, you write 4x square divided by 2 factorial. And then you continue. Next term, instead of x cube, you write 4x cube over 3 factorial, and then 4x to the power 4 over 4 factorial. And go on, and the nth term, x to the n, instead of x to the n, you write 4x to the power n over n factorial. And so this is the power series for this new function. So let's rewrite this. So this is 3 plus, and notice that this entire series, you can write it down using a sigma notation, and you don't have to even think about what the nth term is because the nth term is right here. So you just take that expression 4x to the power n over n factorial, and then see that n will start at what value? The first term has to be 1, and you can have 1 when n is equal to 0. So n start at 0 goes up to infinity. So just this summation will give you the series for e to the 4x, and then when you add 3 to it, you get the series for the function f. So this is the power series representation of this function fx. Thank you.